Hi guys, welcome back. I am dreaming of fall and pumpkins and pumpkin spice, pumpkin bread, all things sweaters and jeans. I imagine those of you in Australia, because I know I got a lot of comments about how cold it was not too long ago, are dreaming of spring. So, wherever you are in the world, I'm sure you're dreaming of cooler or warmer temperatures kind of at the change of the seasons. So, in my desire to bring forth cooler temperatures in southern Oklahoma, I'm doing a pumpkin pie inspired pour. So I have my, I'm going to do an open cup pour. And I'll show you how I do that, if I can find this. These aren't the greatest scissors for this, but so you take a cup, basically, just cut the bottom off. And then you've got an open cup to do like a little floating cup pour. This isn't a very big canvas, so a smaller cup probably would be better, but this is what I have to work with, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so all my colors are mixed with 50/50 glue all and Liquitex pouring medium, a little bit of water, and everything but white has my Spot On treadmill belt lubricant. This is a really great silicone if you're looking for a silicone. I think this cost me like $7 and I've had it forever. Because you don't need very much at all. So let's put our base coat down. I got a little pouring medium on my canvas, no big deal. And a little bit of green paint from my fingers, probably because I am a mess today. All right, so let's start by just putting on my white. Okay, so I've got my white on there. Put my cup down. Let's start with this dark color. This is Pearl Strawberry from Arteza. Super, super pretty color. This is actually Color Shift folk art in, oh my goodness, where does it say? Red Flash. It's really pretty also. Oops, that's sticking. And this is just a folk art metallic in champagne. I got a Hobby Lobby today. And we're just going to keep layering, and it should start oozing out any second now. There it goes. My cinnamon and spice and pumpkin. All things fall. Whoops. Ah. There we go. And we're just going to tilt around a little bit, and then I will torch. I love these colors. I always want to lift that cup early, so I'm just going to let it go this time. So I'm usually jumping at the bit to pick it up. I'm going to be patient today. I think that's about all. I think there's maybe not enough in there. There we go. All right, let's torch, and then we can continue to tilt if we need to. Almost looks like a heart. I'm going to tilt a little bit just to stretch the cells. I kind of like the pattern that's happening at the top there though, so I'm going to kind of just go this way. Just enough to stretch them a bit. And you know what? I think I'm going to call it good. I really kind of like that. Let's get my white spread out a little bit right there where it was. And then I'm just going to blow this real quick. So excuse my head. There we go. Blend that in a little bit. And I'm going to call that good. Let's do some close-ups. quick. It's really pretty. Looks like a butterfly wing right there, doesn't it? Close up of a butterfly. And there we go. Woo! Focus. Let me know what you think. Tell me what kind of weather you are dreaming of in the comments below. And in the meantime, guys, happy pouring.